Hello, happy DIY Wednesday. My name is Melanie Chavis and I'm going to be making a furniture polish for you. So the ingredients I have here are white vinegar, olive oil, just whatever you have in the kitchen. You can use almond oil, grapeseed oil, and a 4-ounce spray bottle, Arbor Vitae, essential oil, and wild orange. So what we do is we are going to take, and I've already made it, but we're going to take 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and put it into your spray bottle, and then 10 drops total of your essential oil. The reason why, so I'm going to do 5 and 5. The reason why I use these, wild orange and Arbor Vitae, are both very cleansing. And Arbor Vitae is kind of woodsy too, so it kind of has that woodsy smell, which I like, but they work really good together. They're very powerful cleansing agents. If you don't have Arbor Vitae, you could use cedar wood. If you don't have wild orange, you can use a lemon or a grapefruit or something like that. So you just mix it all up. And I just happen to be sitting at my wood dining room table, so we just spray it on there like so. And just take a microfiber cloth or a dishcloth, whatever you have. And that olive oil is going to help it bring some shine to it like that. Pretty simple, isn't it? No chemicals or anything in it, so pretty simple. Excuse my dogs in the background. But I will post a recipe in the comments. Have a great day.